Hey everybody, Beggy here with Wumpo, and today I'm going to be covering a quirky little part of Santa Wumpus, the giveaway bot, that I discovered last night while working on my server. So, we all know that there's a plethora of information out there, a score of resources dedicated to showing you how to set up and start Santa Wumpus. But what happens if a user is not available to claim the prize? Well, you have to reroll in that case. And unfortunately, the documentation that I found out on the internet and out on YouTube on how to reroll exactly with Santa Wumpus is not the best. Thankfully, I'm here to make a video, and hopefully you'll pick up a thing or two about this wonderful, wonderful bot. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First, go to your bot channel. Go ahead and type in the giveaway reroll. So this is a giveaway command with a reroll modifier. You are then going to select the channel that you used for the giveaway. In my case, it is test. And go over to the giveaway message, which should at this point be over. And you're going to copy that ID. And then you're going to go over here. You're going to paste that ID. Of course, you can always find it right here. Let's go ahead and add a modifier for however many times you want to reroll. In my case, it's only one. Hit enter and you should see now that the giveaway in test, which has the ID of whatever that message is, has been re-rolled. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You will now see a new winner for the test giveaway, and you should be all set to go whenever you'd like to re-roll. You just do the same thing and rinse and repeat. So if you like this video, please leave a like, consider subscribing. I'm going to be posting videos here as much as I can when I find something that, mayhaps needs to be covered a little bit better. And that's all for today, folks. Have a nice day.